Introducing the 2021 Seat Ateca PA 1.5 TSI 150 horsepower DSG FR5. Door AU. A stunning black estate with a powerful 1.5 litre petrol engine and automatic transmission. Packed with comfort and technology features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and voice control, this car offers a luxurious driving experience. With safety features such as multiple airbags, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, you can feel secure on the road. Plus, the stylish design includes privacy glass, roof rails, and spoiler for a sleek look. This vehicle has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.